So when I needed a tape measurer to customize my new apartment, I went with the Craftsman 26-foot tape measurer, mostly just because it's long enough to cover every room in my house, plus I really like the chrome look of it. But using it, I had a few pleasant surprises. Let's take a look. I like that it comes in this really simple packaging, it's easy to remove, and then the tape measure is just ready to go. Now, the product itself is about 3 inches by 3 inches by 1.5 inches. And you can see here that it has a really comfortable rubber grip, and that allows to hang on to it while you can push out the tape out to a 7-foot standout. Now that means that it can be pushed out to 7 foot and you don't have to hold it up. It will just hang out there on its own. But look, it actually goes a little bit beyond 7 foot until it loses its strength. Now it has a very smooth retractable system, but it can snap back with a little bit of force if it's uncontrolled. It's very easy to guide it back in safely, and you can see that the end of it has these 3 attachment points on the tip. I think that's a lot stronger than 2 that some others have, and I've seen these things break off before, so I'm really excited that this one actually has 3 connections. And of course it has that handy dandy belt clip. The tape itself has a very clean and sleek feeling. It has some kind of coating on it that makes it last longer. It can be locked in place with just a push of a button, and it can be unlocked with the same release of said button. Now they say that the tape itself is 1 inch, but you can see that it's curved, so it's actually about 15/16 of an inch. And you can see on the tape that it's very clear and easy to read. You can read the inches, you can read centimeters. You can see that it continues counting up after 12 inches. It goes on to 13, 14, etc. It marks every foot, it marks every 10 centimeters, it marks every 16 inches for stud markings, and it even has the black diamond truss indicator for your I-beams. So overall, I've been really happy with it. It comes with a lifetime limited warranty, which I really appreciate, but I think it's really good for DIYers as well as carpenters because it has, very clear, easy to read markings, and it has all those little markings as well that can help you out on the bigger projects. And if there are any negatives to it, I would just say that it is maybe a little bit heavy.